Chodesh Tov. This week's Parshat, Parshat Pekudei, is the last Parsha of Sefer Shmot, and from here on we're going to move on to Sefer Vaikra, which continues the same subjects of Korbanot, Mishkan, closeness to Hashem through Avodat Mishkan Beit HaMikdash. I want to spend a few moments discussing a specific pasuk that repeats itself again and again and again. Every couple of psukim throughout the entire parsha, we hear the same phrase repeat itself again and again. Kasher tziva Hashem et Moshe. According to everything that Hashem commanded. Every few psukim, this phrase repeats itself. And according to what Hashem commanded. According to what Hashem commanded. The question is, why is it so important to emphasize this need to do exactly what Hashem commanded in every aspect of our lives? We always need to be careful to do exactly what Hashem commanded. Of course, that is important in our Avodat Hashem, but why the psukim, the Torah, that is so careful with every word to make sure not to repeat itself for no reason? Why does this have to be emphasized? Throughout Sefer Vaikra that continues, we see again and again similar phrases mentioned over and over and over again until we reach the story of Nadav and Avihu, Aaron's sons, that went into the Beit HaMikdash, into the Mishkan, and Pekudei-Esti. They brought an alien fire that is not what Hashem had commanded them. We see that Nadav and Avihu had the purest of intentions. They had the want to get closeness to Hashem, but what went wrong with what they did was it wasn't exactly what Hashem commanded. So returning to our question, why is this so important? I want to offer two different directions. What is the importance of being so exact? A Beit Mikdash, Korbanot, Mishkan, a place where we worship God in the physical being of this world, is something that could be incredibly dangerous. We can maybe make a mistake and think we're worshiping the actual physicality and not Hashem. There's a machloket in the commentaries about Sefer Shmot, about where we always planning to have sacrifices, to have offerings, or only because of Chet HaEgel, and that's why Chet HaEgel was a few weeks ago, was in the middle of the whole description of the Mishkan. Why was it there? Because after Chet HaEgel, Hashem understood that we need that physical worshiping of God. So either it was always the plan, or it happened because of this. We learn from this that Korbanot have this potential of becoming something physical, of becoming Avodah Zarah, even if they come from the right intentions. If we don't do exactly what Hashem said when we're worshiping God in such a complicated place, we can make mistakes and reach someplace very, very far from what Hashem wants. Another aspect of it is that worshiping Hashem in the Mishkan, in the Kodesh Kodeshim, is the highest of heights. Then the greater the potential, greater the danger. With great power comes great responsibility. In order for us to worship Hashem in the right way, we have to do the exact thing. The closer we are, the more complicated it gets, the more room there is for error. And therefore, if we exact the way we worship Hashem, specifically in the highest of places, then we will get to the highest of heights. But if we don't do exactly what Hashem wants from us in these critical moments, then it can lead to the complete and total opposite. We're standing right before the holiday of Purim. On Purim, we dance and we sing and we get so close to Hashem. And it sadly also has the potential of being a very shallow, empty holiday. But Chazal tell us that Purim is Kippurim, it's like Yom Kippur. How do we compare between Yom Kippur, Ne'ilah, fasting, being so seriously close to God, to the fun that's going on Purim? If we take that fun and we take it to the highest level of really doing what Hashem really wants from us, we can reach the highest of heights. But if we don't, we can sadly, chas v'shalom, take it in the wrong direction and the complete opposite can happen. So when we all be zoche, lekabel et Purim, et kedushat Purim be'emet, and really experience the kedusha and the happiness of closeness to Hashem in the most exact form.